Just gonna plop my hand up here so you can do a little bit of motion tracking on my hand. Sick.
Goodbye. Sleep tight. We're gonna be doing the most absurd. Should we make him strong? Should we make him smart? Should we make him absurdly stupid? Who knows?
My name's Jared. I'm 19. I never learned how to read.
Wait, gentlemen. There's buttons and a rocket. There's a rocket and buttons.
And what's next? Let's dive into this by first talking about the perfect storm. 2021 marked the rise of VR as the platform of the future. Mark Zuckerberg was taking a shower one day and he thought to himself, oh sh**. 5 minutes later, he decided to hold an emergency press conference, and Zuck Daddy is like, yo, so we're actually called Meta now. At first, everyone was like, WTF, what? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? And then Zuck Goose is like, because Metaverse.
A big day. Welcome to my new house. All right, guys, let's go.